Now let's take a look at dividing fractions. So when you're going to divide two fractions, the rule is invert the second and multiply it by the first. But what does it mean to invert? It means to flip. So if we look at the example 2/3 divided by 1/5, the rule is flip the second term, 1/5, and then change it into a multiplication. So the question now becomes 2/3 times 5/1. Applying our rule for multiplication, I multiply the numerators and the denominators to end up with 10/3, which is an improper fraction, so then I take the extra step to convert it to a mixed fraction. 3 goes into 10 3 times evenly, with 1 left over. So the answer is 3 1/3. So let's look at an example. So your brother baked another apple pie, and you'd like to share this pie with your friends, but there is only 2/3 of the pie left. You'd like to share it equally between 4 people and make sure that each person gets the same fraction or the same size piece. This is a simple division question. We're going to take the 2/3 of the pie that is left and divide it into 4 so each person gets an equal share. 2/3 divided by 4. Now, it doesn't look like we're dividing fractions in this case because we have the whole number 4, but I'm going to write 4 as a fraction. It's 4/1. And now I can see, to apply the rule for division, invert the second and change it to multiplication becomes 2/3 times 1/4. The rule for multiplication says I end up with 2/12. 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 4 is 12. I have to reduce this into lowest terms as per the fifth rule, so I do 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So each person will get 1/6 of the pie.